This is Leah. We're at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. She is lovin'.
Leah. Leah. You look at that face. She's sweet. She's purring.
Is she? Let me see if I can hear it.
I can feel it.
She's saying, don't stop, don't stop.
And she likes her football.
Come play football, Leah. Let's see that pretty face. I want to eat.
No, she wants me to keep patting her.
No.
I'm up for adoption. Take me home.
Yeah, she would be a really gentle cat to have around, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Is she a lab cat, do you know?
I think she would be. Loving.
Oh, look at that. Meow. Meow, don't stop.
So